Now, let's find an equation for the ellipse described in this way. Vertices at -5, 2 and 15, 2, focus at 13, 2. So we are given those 3 points. We want to find out which one is the correct equation. First of all, we need to locate where those 3 points are. We have a -5, 2 here, first point, 15, 2, so this point. That's 2 vertices. And we are given one focus is 13, 2. That's right here, 13, 2. So we need the equation. We can see focus and the major axis is in horizontal direction. So then, of course, we know the A value should be below the x-axis. Then what is A value? The distance between one vertex and another vertex is 15 minus -5. Here is 15, here is -5. That's the distance. You can see here is -5, here is 15. So 15 minus -5 is 20. And then half of the major axis should be 10, from 5 to 15, or from 5 to -5. So A should be 20 divided by 2, which is 10. So we know the A value is 10. What is B value? We do not know yet, but we know that the center has to be 5, 2, because the center is in between 2 vertices. 15, -5, we choose the average. 15 plus -5 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. And here, y coordinate is still 2. You see, they are all on the same horizontal line. So that's the center, 5, 2. All right. Now we know the center, we know the A value, and here we know is the focus. Focus 13, 2. The distance between the focus and the center is 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So that would be the C value. Based on the identity A squared equals B squared plus C squared, we know A is 10, so 10 squared, and we know C is 8, 8 squared. Both sides subtract 64, because 8 squared is 64. We got 64 cancelled. So B squared is 10 squared, which is 100. Subtract 64, so we have a 36, which is 6 squared. Again, the major axis is in horizontal, so we have A value should be below the variable x, and B value should be below y when the function or when the graph is not shifted. We should have the equation in this way. That's x squared divided by 10 squared plus y squared divided by 6 squared. And then we consider the center, which will be shifting. So x minus 5, and then y minus 2. Square both. Below the x variable is the big value squared, horizontal direction, so 10 squared, which is 100. Again, 6 squared, that's b squared, equals 1. So then comparing this one, x minus 5 squared over 100 plus y minus 2 squared over 36 equals 1. So this one would be our choice. This one is subtraction. That's not the standard equation for ellipse. And here is plus. That's not right. And A and B are not correct. B is okay, but A is not okay. So this one is not correct as well. This would be our choice. All right, I'll see you next time.